thought maybe we could start today's vlog by showing you what my daily chores are. Now right now, my daily chores, oh, look at that sun, there we go. Right now my daily chores take like 10 minutes. That's about it. It's not very long. But this is the weird part. I'm kind of excited for when my daily chore list takes longer and I've got a lot more stuff to do, because that means that we're actually accomplishing some of our goals. So here's my 15-minute chore list. We're gonna start with Charlie because he's hungry. Oh yeah, this boy's hungry. Let's go. Come on. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I know. You want some breakfast scraps too, don't you? Yeah. It usually takes Archie a little bit longer to find his food and water in the morning after a long night of patrolling the estate. Next we're going down into the dungeon because Laura needs some more taters. Alrighty. Laura doesn't like going down into the dungeon. It's almost, we might see her if there's a tornado warning, but that might be about it. Come on, let's go. Come on. Mm-hmm.
It's for the mouse trap.
It's for the mouse trap?
Yes. It's for when you kill mouses.
Alright, let's go.
I'm coming too.
Are you gonna help Ivy?
What are you doing? What you got on there? What are you wearing?
Glasses.
Why?
Because ballerinas always wear glasses.
Ballerinas always wear glasses, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, keep sweeping.
Hi, better keep going. Look, I talked to you.
Well, it's an exciting day, my friends. Clarabelle finally had her calf, and we are back in the real fresh milk business. Well, we're not back in the business, but we got back to buying some from one of our friends, and we are excited to have some fresh cream and fresh milk on the farm.